Okay, so welcome to this little video here in Solidworks where I want to show you a quick tip, right? So I'm sure you've heard your teachers talk to you about fully defined sketches. Okay, so for example here, I have a sketch here with a minus, all right, and if I open it there, there's blue in there, all right, so that's a sketch that's underdefined. Now, if I wanted to, okay, have that correct, all the lines have to be black in it. So a quick thing you can do is right click, fully defined sketch, okay, calculate, click OK, and exit the sketch. But what do you do if you have loads of them, or you only have one or two and you want to try and find them, okay, quickly now that your project deadline is looming? Right, so I'm going to show you how to quickly find them. So if I go up to my feature manager here, right and I right click, so say I go to the origin, right click, okay, go down to go to, okay, find in feature managed design tree, just type in a minus, find next, look, there's my first instance, okay, where it is, find next, okay, find next, that's it, so I could X out of there, and the two, alright, minus ones have come up, so I can right click, edit sketch, fully defined sketch, and take action to solve them. So that's a useful little tool.